She wets a cotton in Listerine and uses it in her armpit. Look what happens minutes later. Amazing! Although virtually everyone uses Listerine as a mouthwash, their inventors have many more things to consider. The main uses of Listerine are its benefits for dental health and mouthwash, which is why it has earned the American seal of the Dental Association of the Homologation, according to the official website of Listerine. But this product goes much further. Did you know that Listerine can also be used as a deodorant? Did you ever have to go to an important place or had a work meeting and found that you just finished the deodorant? Well, Listerine is very good for fighting underarm odors whenever you have a rush. Simply pour a little Listerine into a cotton ball and apply it gently under the arms. Although hard to believe, Listerine is also very good for other home remedies. Let's give 2 examples. 1. Soak your feet. According to the top 10 home remedies, Listerine can be very good to get rid of toenail fungus. Just prepare a foot bath with Listerine and let your feet soak for at least half an hour. Some even recommend mixing also some white vinegar for particularly serious cases. 2. Pour on the toilet. It might look like you're throwing money down the toilet, but Listerine actually allows you to clean it and deodorize it completely. All you have to do is pour a little and use the bathroom brush to give it a little shine. Not only will it clean the toilet, it will also give it a great luster and good odor.